Look at this folder in my Program Files folder. You'll notice a folder called FFmpeg. It might look completely empty or just contain a few files, making it seem unimportant. But don't let that fool you. FFmpeg is one of the most essential tools for video, audio, and AI software. Many applications simply won't work without it because they rely on FFmpeg to process videos, extract audio, convert media formats, and much more behind the scenes. The good news is that installing FFmpeg on Windows is actually very simple. And in this video I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll have FFmpeg installed correctly and ready to use with any software that requires it. So make sure you watch until the end to avoid common mistakes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, installation guides, and tech tutorials every day. Let's get started. Click on FFmpeg link in my description to download FFmpeg. On this page, click on Download option. Click on Windows option and click on Link Windows Builds from GAN Dev. From here, download any latest full version that will be a zip file. Once downloaded, go to Downloaded file and unzip it. Make sure this file got bin folder in it. Copy this file and paste in C drive programs files. Now go inside this file, then inside bin folder, and copy its path. At bottom of Windows search, type Edit, the System Environments Variables, and click on it. Click Environments Variables. Double-click on Path in User Variable. Click on New and paste link you copied and click OK. Click OK. That's it. FFmpeg is installed. To check, open Command Prompt and type FFmpeg. You see this, then it's all done. And that's it. You now have FFmpeg successfully installed on your Windows PC and ready to use with any software that depends on it. As you can see, the installation process is quick and easy once you know the correct steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and allows me to keep creating free tutorials like this. If you have any questions or run into any issues during installation, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.